Hi, this is Scott Green with Remax Momentum. Giving you an update. Yes, I'm still a fearless agent, 7 years in, only getting better. The listing presentation is only getting better. All I can tell you, if you're looking for a listing presentation, if your marketing isn't working, which right now houses aren't selling, if you're looking to get your houses sold and not leave the industry, call Bob. It's no more I can say is our strategy works, our presentations work, our houses get sold and get sold today in this market for top dollar. If you're looking to sell houses still in an economy where interest rates are going up, housing rates are coming down, and you want to give your clients top dollar, call Bob. Become a fearless agent. 7 years. That's all I gotta say. Still doing it. Selling more houses than I've ever sold before. Give him a call.